A great way to improve and enhance your breathing is to count out loud during exercise. For example, if you're doing a core ab exercise like planks for 30 seconds, you can count out the reps for the set out loud, like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, until you get to 30. This will strengthen and develop your lung capacity and VO2 max to breathe in more oxygen over time. We require oxygen to create and maintain our energy during exercise and during our daily life. When you first start counting out loud during exercise, it may feel challenging at first, but as you progress in your training, you'll see improvements the more you do it. And it'll also keep you in the present moment so you can focus on your training and procrastinate less. I was just walking. You can also do this when you walk too and count each step out loud. I was just walking up this hill and counting out each step, and I could feel it in my breathing and core. So practice counting out loud during exercise and see how it can improve your breathing. This is Swane signing out.